Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Several notable companies have made direct investment in the Jamaican economy over the last few years. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Albin Hill, in a statement in the Upper House of Parliament on Friday, shared the following expansion moves. Wisynco, which has invested 11.63 billion Jamaican dollars, expanding in the last 2 years, focusing on increasing production capacity, adding new facilities, and modernizing its operations. Fosrich has obtained 900 million Jamaican dollars in financing to commerce operations in Guyana, specifically targeting the expansion of its services in PVC, manufacturing, transformer repairs, and the solar sector. Tankwell is enhancing its logistics capabilities and increasing manufacturing output by building out a new 200,000 square foot warehouse at a cost of approximately US $20 million. Caribbean Cement, which is investing US $16.5 million in projects to enhance its production capability and operational efficiency, and also spending US $39,000 in training and human capital development. Mothers Enterprises, which has launched a new cafe at the University Hospital of the West Indies, marking a $30 million Jamaican dollar investment as part of its multi-million dollar expansion plan. Executives of listed companies have recorded purchases and sales of their own stock. Iron Rock Insurance Company Limited has advised that a connected party purchased 269,953 Rock shares on September 24, 2024. Wigton Wind Farm Limited has advised that a connected party purchased 136,034 Wigton shares on September 17, 2024. NCB Financial Group Limited has advised that a connected person sold 6.1 million NCB shares on September 24, 2024. And Kingston Wharves Limited has advised that a connected party sold 4,162,839 Kingston Wharves shares during the period September 16 to 24, 2024. During trading for the period of September 27, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Financial conglomerate NCB Financial Group Limited, with 23,010,093 units, represented 32.69% of the market volume in terms of sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 8,945,573 units represented 12.71% of the market volume in terms of sales. Fosrich Company Limited, with 7,519,010 units represented 10.68% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On September 25, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $63.14 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $56.03 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.72 and bought the US dollar for $157.28. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.44, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 82 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $117.94 and bought for $117.12. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $10.38, selling it for $214.19 and buying it for $203.81. For the credit report tip of the day, inheriting a sum of money can be a significant moment in your financial journey. While it might be tempting to spend it on immediate wants, using it strategically can set you up for long-term success, particularly when it comes to improving your credit score and building wealth. Here are 2 suggestions. Reduce your credit card balances. Paying down balances on your credit cards can help you maintain a low utilization rate, which should be under 30% of your credit limit. You can also make extra mortgage payments. Applying your inheritance towards your mortgage reduces your debt to income ratio, a key factor lenders look at. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.